So, welcome back to the next installment of Partner Insights. I am Michelle Hodges, the SVP of Global Channels Alliances here at Ivanti. And I am thrilled to be joined today with Veeral Oza from Tech Mahindra, who is the practice head of enterprise tools. We're going to be talking about the value of solution selling today. But before we get started, Veeral, can I ask you to just introduce yourself and tell me a little bit about you and your role and your relationship with Ivanti?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Michelle. Thanks for having me here. Tech Mahindra is a global consulting service and system integrator that operates in more than 90 countries with a workforce of 150,000 people, uh, with over 6 billion in revenue. We deliver solutions with unique blend of digital innovation and industry processes. We have strong domain expertise across verticals, and we help our customer scale at speed by designing future state solutions. So now coming to my role, so within Tech Mahindra, I take care of enterprise tools practice, which complements our cloud-based tech platform and solutions. So me and my
Okay.
team, we provide solutions on ITSM, IT operations management, all kinds of monitoring tools, AI ops, application performance management, and workload automation. And yeah, so I'm really excited and proud of our partnership with Ivanti as it helps us to deliver enhanced ITSM solutions.
And before we even get started, thank you so much for your partnership. It has grown super quickly and with lots of investment for your team. So I'm very grateful for that. So I'm just going to dive right in. Again, the topic is about solution selling, right? And in a relationship with a vendor and a GSI, it is all about meeting those customers' outcomes and those needs. Can you help me understand within your team and then within the context of Tech Mahindra driving digital innovation, best of breed solutions, how a consultative approach is really important into a solution selling or delivering a successful solution?
Right, right. So, when we talk about a consultative approach, it involves understanding customers' needs, their challenges, their goals, and providing them with a tailored solution that addresses their specific needs. The way we do it is so as a part of cloud-based tech, right? So, Tech Mahindra has developed something known as a tools maturity framework for digital operations. Now, this particular framework
Okay.
is all about assessment to identify customers' requirement on the technical side, on the business side, and on the operational side. And then we tell them that where do they stand in terms of their journey from reactive to predictive IT operations. Now, based on the assessment and the outcome, we recommend a solution to our customer, and we clearly communicate the benefits, the ROI, and the value proposition such that it aligns with the customer goals. We adapt our solution as per the customer requirements, and so overall, our goal is to become a trusted advisor that helps our customer achieve their objectives through a collaborative solution selling.
So we are building a managed service with Tech Mahindra around ITSM. When you've gone through that process, you've gone through the assessment, the customer wants to engage with Tech Mahindra to either start an ITSM journey or evolve their ITSM journey. How does managed service fit into that overall delivery of outcomes on that solution?
All right. So when we talk about managed services, so an MSP program, it brings a significant value to our solution selling. Uh, so there
Yeah.
are various aspects of it. So one is the first part is about the strong technical capabilities of the solution itself. It is wrapped around with our tailored services, which addresses a specific need of a customer.
Hmm.
Customers not only get a standard OEM support, so in this case Ivanti, they not only get that,
Yeah.
but they also get Tech Mahindra's experience, our COE labs on what are the things we are doing with Ivanti, our past experience, right? So there is a technical aspect, there is a contracting angle as well. So let's say, Tech Mahindra has all the contracting done with Ivanti. it is easier for the customer to onboard very quickly and get started with us. Just a matter of getting a go ahead from the customer. Secondly, about the scalability and flexibility our joint solution brings in for the customer. And because
Mhm.
of our economy of scale that we work with Ivanti with several other customers, that
Mhm.
enables customer for the cost savings. So the MSP program, it amplifies our solution selling capabilities, and it enables us to provide a holistic, proactive, flexible services that meets evolving customer needs.
Yeah. I mean, it's cost savings as well as just overall best of breed, right? The what you learn from customer to customer to customer just improves overall customer experience, I can imagine.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So let's talk about your sellers, right? You have a not only are you providing the services and solutions for your customers, but you've got sellers just like we do. How do they use solution selling in the real world to bring quantifiable value to their customers? So, um, you deliver on outcomes, right? You go through that assessment, you say, I can do X, Y, Z for you, customer, and then you go out and deliver that. How do your sellers put that into their selling process?
When we talk about our sales ecosystem that we have within Tech Mahindra,
Mhm.
the sales team is backed by my strong solutions capability and delivery team, right? So our narrative emphasizes on customer challenges, their pain points, their goals, and then we align our overall solution with the customer needs. Now coming to a quantifiable solution, so I'll explain you with an example. Last week, one of our customer, they went live with Ivanti Neuron solution, and after deploying the ITSM solution, some of the quantifiable outcomes that we look for is the incident resolution time. Uh, has it
Mhm.
decreased? So we found that around 30 to 40% decrease. Increased in user satisfaction, reduction of the ticket volumes, the cost savings uh, for the support costs. Then if the ticket volumes have decreased, is it because of the knowledge management capabilities? So these are some of the quantifiable metrics that we capture
Mhm.
post selling.
Post
Yeah.
selling that you can use into your next
And
selling
how we
cycle,
can optimize
right?
on it and how we can do it
Yeah.
better for the next one. Yeah.
Yeah. And just how important is solution selling to your sales force? Is it their primary method of selling? Is it relationship selling? Just how critical is it to your success?
So see, there are two aspects of it. So one, when we talk about is the value selling, and then one is the solution selling, right? So
Yeah.
both the things are equally important, and it has got its own role to play. When we talk about value selling, it is focused more on the product capabilities and the outcomes and the tangible benefits that we deliver for the customer, whereas the solution selling is more about stitching that particular solution as per the customer needs. It is about the comprehensive, solution which caters to all other areas. It could be an integrated solution for combining different products. Now, when we talk about our solution capabilities, so it is all about how we differentiate ourselves in the market, right? It is because of our solution accelerators, our strong domain expertise, right? TechM being, like I mentioned earlier, your 150,000 workforce across domains. So
Mhm.
we have quite good amount of domain expertise and our customer centric approach, right? All of this, basically, when you combine it together, it becomes a good value proposition overall to the customer, and that is what our sales teams, they take it to the customer.
I love the way you differentiate between value and solution selling. That
Yeah.
value is about delivering on the outcomes, whereas the solution is all the benefits of Tech Mahindra plus the technology plus the repeatability, scalability that you get from delivering as a managed service as well. I really value that. I appreciate that. We're almost up with time, but I keep asking everyone at the end of these if you could leave the audience kind of with one thought about the Tech Mahindra Ivanti relationship, I'd be grateful.
um So when I'll leave it to, let's say about the solution selling, right? For us, it is not just a tactic, but it is a fundamental aspect of our sales strategy and our organizational DNA, right? And that is where, Ivanti comes in, and we value the partnership, the solution that it brings, and how it benefits our customer. I'll leave it at that.
That's one of the things that I value most about the Tech Mahindra relationship is you recognize not only in our ITSM solution the flexibility, the scalability that our solution, our technology delivers, but then the ability to add on additional solutions, whether it's security or visibility, to that customer. It's such a nice fit in a
Absolutely.
relationship. So, again, yeah, thank you for the partnership and thank you for your time today. It's been great catching up on the topic.
Thanks, Michelle. Thanks for having me. Yeah.